Good morning, guys. Well, it's not morning because it's already 12 noon. I went to bed so late this morning. Let's say just too early because I went to the gym around what time was it? 4 a.m. 3:30. I went to the gym 3:30 because I promised myself I'm gonna go to the gym and take control of my life. But yeah, I was just there quick. I'm having sores right now. But anyway, yeah. So today's a day that I'm gonna pick up my films because last night, Film Never Die sent me an email regarding the films that I have developed. They already scanned it, and it's so cool. I just found out one of my photos was taken 20th of January 2017, and that was a critical moment here at the Melbourne because that was a time when uh, the car which plowed all the people at the footpath at Burke Street. There's a lot of injured, a lot of people dead, and it was sad. But I didn't realize I took a shot of it. I took a shot of the car because the car just was stopped near my office. I took a shot of the car. I can't think. God. Okay. Again, I took a photo of the car, which was stopped near Burke Street. That was Burke and William, and that was where I work. I was on lunch break. I went out and I got hungry. I went to the shops and I heard loud bangs, and people just went to the floor and tried to scramble away as I slowly went towards the sound, and I found that there was a car there, the police. I'm gonna post a photo after this conversation, but yeah, it was a sad event because there was a lot of people hurt, a lot of people dead. I saw a pram which was broken to where I was sitting before. So yeah, I just got a photo, and yeah, I didn't have any cameras with me. My phone had a bad camera, so I took a snap using my EOS 3, which was an autofocus film camera, and yeah, it was like, whoa. James tried to call me and ask me if I have any photos or anything they could share. I couldn't because I shot on film, but yeah, it was a tragedy. I'm glad that guy's in jail. I think he's serving 46 years in prison. Crazy ass. He just plowed to all the people. I don't know. I don't know how people could think that way. Like you see people on the footpath and you just plowed and hit all of them there. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna try to do the laundry again because there's never enough laundry, and I'm gonna try to prepare stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up my films, the lab. So I don't know how the vlog's gonna turn out, but yeah. Good morning, actually, good noon. So I don't know if it's really a good idea to film myself when I don't have any filter. I just woke up. I didn't even check if my eyes are clear. And yeah, for these vlogs, I don't I don't prepare myself. Like I look crap. I see dry skin everywhere. I see like weird stuff with my face. I don't fix myself. These are just vlogs that I make as I wake up and go through my life. I don't do makeup. I'm a guy. That's not right. I don't I don't fix myself. First day of winter, and I was very productive. I just slept in the house doing nothing. Nah, I'm not. I wasn't productive. Anyway, I've got these boxes here. Yeah, a bunch of boxes. I'm doing a giveaway. No, not really. I'm just keeping my boxes here. Sorry to disappoint you. I really have a problem because I don't have a spot to put my boxes. Would you want a box giveaway? Just the boxes? Okay, yeah, today's the first day of June and first day of winter, and I just slept home upstairs. I was supposed to pick up my films from developing and went to sleep. Tomorrow I'll be shooting a wedding. There's something in my mouth. Well, I'm gonna get those videos where there's the white stuff here, there's white dry skin. I don't, yeah, forgive me for those. But yeah, so there's nothing much. You still lie? No, there's nothing much for today's vlog. So I assume I'll see you tomorrow, and yeah, have a good night. Goodbye. I'll try to go to the gym later. My second day. Try.